Okay, today we came for fishing. Me, Lars, and Jumpo. But Lars is my team, and he's teaching me how to fish. Here's Lars. This is ours. And that's a little fish.
Maar dit is nou echt.
That's no echt, which means it's not real.
Want if the big fishes then think, oh, I will eat that, and then it's biting, but then it's not echt, and then we have the big.
Okay. So Lars is very good at fishing. Better than me. Okay.
Careful.
Yeah.
Careful for this.
And now Lars is...
You have fine.
No pine. We're going to catch a fish.
Woo!
It's very windy today. Now she's getting ready. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful view here.
This name for this fish.
Yeah?
One blinker.
Blinker. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's clear.
And then I doing this.
And then?
This, then this, and then
Throw it away.
in the water.
In the water. En el agua.
Stop! 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 Yeah!
And Nick.
Just